Cow's milk has been farmed for over 8,000 years, but it wasn't until the beginning of the 19th century that milk technology began to progress. With an increasing demand on the farms existing throughout cities, plagued by disease and unbearable odours, it became clear the whole milk production process would need to be developed to satisfy the changing culture. It was the dawn of the Industrial Revolution and the advancing rail networks that started to approach these challenges, allowing the dairy process to be rurally located and milk transported by requirement left the final hurdle of overcoming the preservation and storage of milk, which saw the birth of pasteurization and bottle packaging. The recent years have seen many advancements in milk technology and logistical streamlining. Want to know more? Good. Now join us on our journey as we take you from cow to consumer.